have also already 12 minutes. We need to complete it in 12 minutes, okay? Okay, please copy it for Arbab and you, and you have to 3 copies, and make the 4th copy for Arnold and coming.
Excuse me, real quick, sorry to interrupt.
Okay, so we will start. This is my copy. Where is my copy? Anyone? Okay, I mean, plastic.
Raster to. This is R-A.
Ah, yes, raster. R-A-S-T-E-R.
Raster to vector. How long will this take?
I think according to performance of computer, meaning maybe 10 minutes, 5 minutes, like that. This is a software on Autodesk. I will show you after half hour.
Yeah, no problem. So this to this 5 minutes,
Yeah.
and then once you get this, how long will it take to get for a BOQ?
Yes.
How long will it take?
Automatically will convert.
Yes.
And put it in AutoCAD. Convert it directly into AutoCAD.
Okay.
And you can measure.
So into.
And you can do that also.
And then once it's in AutoCAD, can we import it into and do the quotation? What software does the quotation? What software is that?
For quotation, I generally in my office I use this Nitro PDF Pro. This one. I bought this one. I can make any quotations, and I can get like PDF Pro. But this, you can make dimensions, you can make edit for images.
No, remember I said, you guys said solid state when you design, you can export the details for BOQ, for quotation.
Yeah.
You can, yes?
Yes, you can.
So from AutoCAD, you would have to import it into solid state?
Yeah. Import from this one?
Yes.
Yes, this one, if you have an image like that,
Mm-hmm.
it's
Sorry,
as an image,
yes.
okay? Get it through scanner,
Yes.
scan it,
Yes.
okay? And go to R2V.
Okay.
He will read all these lines,
Yes.
okay, and convert it to AutoCAD.
Yes.
And you can measure
Okay.
distance, and
Okay.
you get distance from AutoCAD, and you can remove lines,
Okay.
add lines, anything you need.
And then they can import it from there into Solidworks, and then
Okay.
export to quotation.
Yes, after that you can put it in SolidWorks and get quotation.
What Solidworks does the quotation, or is there another program, or just
No, you
SolidWorks?
can do quotation in SolidWorks.
Okay.
Something called DriveWorks. Another
SolidWorks.
module called the DriveWorks.
DriveWorks.
Yes, here. Yes, see? DriveWorks Pro Express.
Alright. Sorry guys, I'm in your way, but I have a meeting today. Okay.
Yeah.
Good news. Thanks.
Okay. All right. Now we will draw quickly this one. Type new part. Just sketch. First, your base sketch. And get one with 12 meter by 120, like that. Okay. You just go to 3D sketch. Okay. Go to 3D sketch. 3D sketch. And make this one. Secure that you are height with Y vertical line and get in 3000. Okay. That's enough only. Okay. And you can also make this one. Line and this line with this line will be Y to lock its length. Okay, clear? Just sketch. Go to weldment. Weldment. You was present in this lecture, Arnold, of steel structure. You was present or no? Was absent, yeah? Did you have work? Okay. Weldment. Weldment is a special module for steel structure. Okay. Steel structure member. Will load the library. Structure. We made before something called Unigraf profile. Okay. We will use this one. Traditional. ISO. We will use ISO. Pipe. Rectangular tube. Square beam. Square tube. Yes. And 4x4. I think. 4x4 or 10x10? 10x10. Okay, 10x10. Haven't 10x10, 8x8, okay? Okay, we haven't here in the library, we can create. No problem now. We'll start with 4x4 and change. No problem, okay? New group and select. Just select your lines. Okay. Why? Yes, good. Create new group. Okay. Now, structure member again, on new group, if you can continue, right click, edit feature, new group, this one, with this one. You can use it, any type of end condition you need, okay? Or, if you need, not like this, delete this group, and create new group only for this one and the new group for this one. Okay, up to you. If you don't need this action, just click OK and go to structure member again and select your new group and select it alone. And go structure member and new group and select it alone. Alright, now we need to create 10 by 10 by 3. You can save it first with code I01-B001-00 new, go to part, go to sketch, drawing your 100 by 100 with offset, select the chain 3 millimeters inside and go OK. This your section. Not important to save it like that. I just save it for if hanging something. Okay. File. Select it one. First, we need we have this point. It's okay. This point. It's okay. This point. It's okay. Create fillet. At least I think 3 maybe 2.5 and keep constraint corner. It's very important. You need this point to be still there. Okay, if you will delete this, you can coordinate it into profile construction. It's very important. to leave this point like that. This sketch, it's okay. File, save as leap feed part. Select sketch before and save it as leap feed part called library feature. Library feature. On desktop now, important, and click 10 by 10 by 3. Save it. It's okay. Cut it and import into library. I have my library, for example, have some profiles. Go to structure, go to Unigraf Pro, and you have already one. Really? We made it before. Yeah, it's very good. We made it before. It's okay. So just open your drawing and right click on this one and change structure Unigraf 10 by 10 by 3. It's okay, good. Change it. Okay? Understand? Clear, Arnold? That's okay. Now we have a problem. Your dimension of 120 is the external dimension. This means that this line is already 120. So just locate your profile and click here. It's okay. This means that your profile behind line, at the front of line, sorry, not behind line, okay? But another one without. So you can separate this one than this one. Right click, file, you can select here, delete this selection, only one we need. Okay, this one first, arrange, organize your drawing. Now you can delete this group and delete this group and arrange it one by one. We can do them together. Base frame. Okay, select them together and put it like that. It's okay. The otherwise, right click, also this one, just select your new structure, Unigraf Professional, and okay. Locate profile and select to point it. Okay, new group or cancel, no problem. Another construction, weldment, structure member, select this one, okay, and delete this one, not needed now. So trim, do you remember? Okay, I review with you and something new for Arnold. Okay, trim, which body to be trimmed? In this way, this body will be trimmed and this body also will be trimmed. Trimmed by this body, yes, will be trimmed by these bodies. Okay, finish this one, already finished. Okay, you can organize it, no problem before. All right. Okay, so this body trim trim this body by this body. Already has been trimmed also, but you may have some problem. Why these problems? You can go to here and click and change the orientation, locating profile to be here, down will be okay, and dimension, total dimension will be changed. This height will be changed, will be 3000 minus 100, okay, because the 100 value was down than profile. Okay, understand why? I made this 3000 minus 100. Hector, understood? Okay, yes, yes. So now it's very okay, haven't any problem.
That's why it looks.
Yeah, it's very important, this point. It's very important, this point. Okay, because you need this one change the direction. Means that I need to trim this one by this one. Need to trim this one by this another one. Okay. If this inclinated line not working good, so you have a problem. No problem. Just change it. Go to here. Not like that. Okay. We can delete this one. I dragged it after and create something like that. Create new sketch. New sketch. On this plan, for example, the plan of this profile, and from this profile can select the middle of profile also, having the problem, or the same point. Sketch from here, select this plan, create new plan here, and select sketch, and create from this point to this point. It's very important. Click here and here, purse, from here and here, purse. Okay, so hide the sketch, means that this one for this section. Right click here and change the entity from this one to this one. Remove it. Select this one new. Okay, and only change orientation, locate profile, and now I have to select this and okay, and go to second term. Have error because we removed before we changed the sketch. Right click and just select this one also. Finished. Go to this one, right click, edit, just select. We need to trim this one, need to be trimmed. It's okay. Alright, it's okay. Hide this sketch. Okay. We need to pattern to repeat. We need to repeat them on a specific space. Okay, with 200. Go to here, pattern. Do you remember pattern? Remember pattern? Arnold, do you remember this order? Circular pattern. Do you remember? Yeah. the same but linear pattern.
It's like an array.
Yeah, like array. Linear pattern. This linear pattern, just check direction. For example, this direction. See this one? Flip flop. Okay? Understand? And select body. And select 200 unit. Sorry. 200. What is? Sorry, which number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Select 7 and 2000, not 200. Okay, see? Now, your main problem, this one. Minus 100. Okay. 700. 200. Sorry, no, this one. 100. 100. 14.28. Only 14.28. Yes. Then change it somehow. We can adjust, but because having time and the client will come.
Why did you have, sir, 200 before you make the linear pattern, sir?
No, there is a way to make it, but the main problem now because the client need to
No, I mean, sir,
demonstration.
like this one. Just copy this one here to 200 and then you can linear pattern this one.
Yes, you can make. Now you use 200 from where to where? Your 200 from the external edge
Yes.
to middle.
Yes.
Okay? So if we need to make the correct number in SolidWorks, take the pattern from middle to this point to this another point. Okay? So this 200, if you have 200 from here to here, so we have 200 minus 5. 200 minus 5 centimeters, okay? So we have this 2000 should be minus this 2000 should be minus 15, not 15. This 2000 minus what? This is 15. If you can check, from here to the middle of this point. 2000 mm. If this is okay like that, and this one from here.
That one is not okay.
Aha.
I thought you said just copy first to 2 meter and
Yeah.
then we make linear pattern to middle to middle.
So we can copy first one, 2 only, with this
Yes, yes.
number.
And then linear pattern.
2000 and create another linear pattern with 2000 for 6 bodies.
Only 4.
Only what?
4.
Only 4? Why? No?
5, 5, sir, 5.
5, but you need the 6 one.
But the other is the same with the edge also.
The same one? Okay. So, the another one will be mirror. You can mirror on this plan, mid plan, and mirror these bodies also. It's okay. So
We forgot the below.
yeah.
We forgot to. There's a support also. The base support also.
The support here.
Yes, support.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. No problem for this support. We can do it. Okay. For this support, 3D sketch, just 3D sketch, and you can normal line from this point, midpoint. What is this? What? Okay.
There's a portion level.
And this one. Okay. So no problem because we have along Z, not along Z, along Y. What? Along X. Look this. At the middle. Yes, no, I haven't a problem to put it at the middle. Okay. We need it. Normal one. Coincidence. And just weldment. The same structure. Just check this one. And locate and pattern it the same. You can do something good. This pattern can be dragged below and this can be dragged before. No, you can't. It's okay. This pattern, okay. You can edit this pattern and select this one in addition at once, okay. And go to mirror. Just drag and go to mirror and select this one. Yes, already have. Okay. Alright. Now you need to what? It's very important. You need to create 3D sketch. This one. To this one. Yes, okay. And go to weldment structure member. Okay. And also you can go to this pattern and add.
You cannot make it like that.
No.
Because that is
It's
sizes.
the same. Yeah. We have the same. Okay. No. Okay. So go to 3D sketch again and select from this one to this one. Okay. Structure. Okay, to structure. Where is it? Weldment. Structure member. Locate. Okay. I think we can now do that. It's okay. So you can create pattern. Check 2000. Oh, we are already written. Okay. The other also this one, right? And mirror. Okay. Alright. Now we need some supports on edges, like here. This supported. It's okay. You can make it with 3D sketch from this section to this one. Go to this point, to this face on plan, and now we need to make it at the middle of profile. You can make a center line, just line, and this line can along the X. No, you can't. Maybe Z. Yeah, it's okay. And put this point at the middle of this line. Right click, midpoint, shift, and consider this one, and just give it the dimension. If you have a specific dimension, you haven't. Okay. Hey, what? No problem. Because it's just support. Just support. You can create this line and this 200, for example. This is your support. Also, go to weldment, structure member. This is okay. This support, it's okay. You can align. Now the support, see? Angle, okay? We need to align it. Yes, you can align it with at least any right angle. This one, no. You can align it.
But you need to put the, but you need to put the studio, sir. This one, sir, and this one, not in the middle of this one.
You need this one where?
This one, sir, this one.
Do you mean that?
Not in the middle of this one. This one
Not clear here, but yes, okay. This type of complicated structure. I working as a structure, not just. We do this action in something of load, so we need to connect this web with all angles. Okay, and sometimes we need it. Okay, it's the same. Go to what? Midpoint. Okay, go and put your dimension with also if 200. It's okay. Structure member. Okay, go like that, and you can rotate it by 45 degree. Okay, you can rotate it from here, no problem, and select OK, and to go to trim. We will trim this body, allow extension with this one and this one. Now you are okay. Finished. Just mirror. This body. Okay. And you can also mirror it drop down, no need to draw, by create new plan from this one, this face, middle plan, and create mirror, okay, for this mirror feature directly. This, you have bodies, so you need to select this one and select this one, finished, and hide with sketch. Now you are okay. If you need to change any dimension of this web, you can just create link value web and right click link value with the same web. Do you remember this one? This link value that we made before? Change this 200 to at least 400, for example. Okay. Or change it at once. Alright? Alright. Now, we have what?
Is there a possible?
What? See?
Possible, sir? Can you deduct this one 20 cm? Can you make it this one straight? Because supposedly that's the right.
Yes, you can, but I found here that.
Maybe that rate is not correct.
You make it the same. Okay. Yeah. You can, sure. But here you made it before. You made it first. After that, all this applied. Link it to him. Link it to it.
This one is correct, sir. Once you deduct this one.
You can change it normally. You can change it. But after visit we'll change it because you haven't time. Now, if you need to capping this one, weldment, end cap, select. You can select it, which position you need, and edit with this position, but the gap will be 0.05 from each side, and thickness, for example, will be 3 millimeters. Automatic, just check faces, just capping. Okay. Now we will go to drawing. Make drawing for this part. Get any front, for example. This front plan. Okay, and the project, this one. Right, click properties, change your scale.
Second that is one, sir.
Which one? Yes, it's okay. I do this one for client only to see what is drawing and we make tables and things like that. Here, sorry. Okay. This dimension is very important. This dimension no. dimension from here. You can make it like this. 0.5. And put dimensions like that. No need. Give him angle. Okay. If you need to create it as a detail value, you can delete these dimensions from here and go to detail, corner rectangle, sketch, and still select, don't select escape, and select detail view. And we can change the scale of the view. And 220, 215. Okay, and put your dimension. Here to here, like that, and put the angle, and here put this angle. Say, or for more professional way, don't put this angle like that. We have here some special signs, engineering signs. This datum feature. Select this datum here, and datum B, like that. Is a more professional way, real engineering wise, and make geometrical tolerance perpendicular. Which one perpendicular? This. One perpendicular. Okay. And you can also type, if you need to type this one. Okay, and you can set A, B. This means that AB, yeah, each other. A, B, identify that A and B, datum A and datum B are perpendicular. Okay, it's engineering wise, very professional way. Okay, if you need to make annotize notes also for here, datum C, datum D. Okay. You can make also geometrical tolerance parallel D, C, and D. Which means that C and D are parallel. Why? Go to check. You can also just leave it like that, A, C, and D. You can also leave it as a note. You can leave it here. You can leave it here, not a problem. Okay. Also, you can leave it here without this type. Remove this one. No, not needed. Okay, and put it here. When you need the drawing, you will go to this noted area and will see datum A and B perpendicular, datum C and D parallel. What this means? It's very important because when manufacturing this inspection unit for quality control, okay, and you have a QC in the manufacturing process, you should have a notes that QC should make check. It's okay. What's the notes? Only dimensions? No, not only dimensions. It's very important to create parallel. Okay. So need change and now like that. Very important.
Mr. Shafiq from the center, Bob, Nulli, Hector, Arnold, and Ahmed doing the training for us. Show us the capabilities of the program. So we are drawing it in 3D and going to the details. So and then we do a workshop drawing. And the workshop drawing will give you exact dimensions with no tolerance. Working in the engineering way.
Also can check datums, check dimension. If you need to insert the table like that, is well-made table cut list. Automatically generate this one. Full cut list with all types. With all types of and meters, how many beams and its dimension of each beam, and description of beams. Okay, and have special data for inspection. Sorry, sorry. And you can inspect here. It's for inspection. If I need this to be right angle, okay. After manufacturing, you should make inspections. The inspector will see to these signs A and B. Only we'll go to these notes in drawing. Note A and B should be perpendicular. This selection check, that's okay. Perpendicular, it's okay. This C and D should be parallel. Okay, see this parallel, it's okay. Make a checklist for inspectors. Okay, to secure your manufacturing.
Can you show us the charging station?
Yeah.
We are doing the charging station. Show us the door where it's open.
Yeah.
Even the technical and mechanical things here, the guys are now trained in engineering. This is used, you will see there now. This station. So instead of cutting it manual, just put the sheet, actually video back. So it's give you fully accurate precise. Even the thickness of the steel. Whatever you thickness, start cleaning it, you get exactly your surface. Julian, Mr. Julian. How are you? And we are doing now the big one of your guys there for the ISO training, we got your training this past week. I think his name is he was there. So he sat with us for a week. So it was a good training. So what we want to do, we want to go for ISO certification to put our workflows and our business strategy in line with our customers and to take it to the next level. So you guys have been doing business with these guys for a while. So you remember when it was a small shop, they've grown quite a bit. So now the organization has reached the SME status. So we want to take it to the next level. So we've implemented a very smart ERP system to streamline processes to give you better turnaround times, more efficient systems, quality controls, integration better between customer requirements as far as our resources, how we can allocate resources, and be able to hand over deliverables. High quality, very efficient. Even though now work up to the niveau, there are that we be able to conduct their consulting standard. But we want to be able to service you better because you have certification, especially the kind of people who won't do their certification in jeopardy by doing things the whole body. So let me show you this one really nice. Show me that one. This is our certification. Charging station we are doing it here. Everything there, huh?
Okay.
I'll show you the
Replace adjust lock position and secure all dimensions before manufacturing, before make any cuts, before waste any material. Okay. Check all interference and stresses. Yeah. Check interference if it's okay. Will affect the problem or no. Check gasket dimensions of before compression and after compression. Check here also the pivot. It's very important with millimeters, only millimeters. You can check it only with the software that can help you, something like that. Okay.
The program is able to give us directly to the production,
Okay.
to the ERP system. We are now building it, communicate this technical program is easier. Yeah,
Yeah. And after that we can export automatically this one, for example, this part. If I need to manufacture, just export it as a DXF file. Yeah. Just export it as DXF file for laser machine or punching machine. Okay.
Good job, guys.
Thank you. Thank you. Was hanged. Hanged. Did you see her? Hanged, huh?
No problem. They also hang.
Yes, hanged, yeah.
They also send like this. When you show the when to convert to the XM, they said,
Yes.
they said, we hang more.
Okay. Let's draw it in calm again. Okay. Repeat it. Also, I need to show you something. I received yesterday a project from Miraz from Mr. Shower. Wow, he went away. He escaped from Miraz. Yes. Escaped from Miraz, yeah. Hmm.